This is the new Metalware Smart door lock. This is the motion sensor. This is the doorbell. This is the back for the wall. Battery. 2 rechargeable batteries are included in the box. This is brand new. This is our unit. This is our demo unit. Okay. 2 batteries. This is the USB port for charging the batteries. This is the cell phone that we have paired with the unit. So just so you can see, I'm going to run the doorbell. Answer it, it will connect to your Wi-Fi. Okay. Can speak to your app, so you can communicate with the person who rang the doorbell. Since it is very near, it's going to echo, so I'm going to make it short. Who's there? Okay, I'm going to make it. Who's there? Your neighbor. Your neighbor. Okay, echo na siya. You can also screenshot and record. You should have a micro SD card in your phone.